Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You should begin by inspecting the enamel surface closely. Any chips mean higher risk of further damage and uneven cooking. Once dry, wash with mild soap to remove factory residues and dry fully. Water trapped under a lid retains heat and can cause sticking. Now set the burner to low-medium and preheat the empty pan briefly so it warms evenly. This prevents thermal shock. Make sure to add a small amount of oil or butter before adding food so the enamel won't stick. You'll control temperature deliberately. Enamel conducts heat differently than bare cast iron, so keep settings low to medium to let the pan's mass distribute heat. Once ingredients hit the surface, resist raising the heat. Instead, lift the lid or stir gently to manage browning. Use wooden or silicone tools to protect the enamel finish, and when brown bits form, deglaze with a splash of stock or wine to release flavor. This also makes cleaning much easier. Remember, sudden temperature jumps can crack the enamel, so you finish by letting the pan cool to near room temperature. Plunging a hot enameled pan into cold water risks cracking. Once cooled, wash by hand with warm soapy water and a soft sponge. Avoid abrasive pads. For stubborn residues, soak for 15 to 30 minutes, then lift away softened food with a wooden spatula. Make sure the pan is fully dry before storing and place a cloth between stacked items to prevent chips. If you notice small chips, stop using the pan for acidic foods to avoid metal exposure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.